I am proud to observe that upon deployment, you promptly commenced operations, consistently exceeding expectation in the performance of your duties, and you have exhibited courage, integrity, and professionalism. As a consequence of your exemplary service and contribution to the multinational security support operation, the country's security has significantly improved. Its crucial infrastructure is much safer. Populations are returning home. Humanitarian access has increased, and abductions have decreased. There are many people who thought this Haiti was mission impossible, but today they have changed their mind because of the progress you have made in collaboration with Haitian National Police. Today there is a lot more confidence that the job of stabilizing Haiti, of dealing with gangs in Haiti and violence, and making sure that we free the people of Haiti from this yoke of underdevelopment occasioned by violence is possible. And now the world is much more ready to come forward and work with you. So